Actuators. Here we have fuel injectors. Fuel injectors are actuators. And we have also ignition coils are actuators. And we have here purge solenoid control valve. This deals with emission. This deals with fuel injector. This deals of spark in ignition system. In lubricating system, here we have also VVTI control valve, variable valve timing control valve, which controls valve clearance automatically with engine oil pressure. And here, the engine management also, we control the cooling system. Here there is the module which controls the speed and the functionality of cooling fans. In the new structure of this engine management, there is what we call idle speed actuator. In idle, we need air to be mixed with fuel. In idle speed, we don't accelerate. And here, throttle plate is closed. We need another way of air to be mixed with fuel. That is why we need this idle speed actuator. We can differentiate why we say what is a sensor, what is actuator. Sensor, normally in electronic system, we need input and we need output. The sensor gives information to the ECU. The ECU process. After processing those information from sensors and give output through actuators. That is the difference between sensors and the actuators. In engine management and electronic control, each system, for example, we are on the engine management. For the engine management, if there is one sensor which has a problem, or ECU, or actuator, there is a symptom, the first one, on the dashboard. They are what we call malfunction indicator light. Main malfunction indicator light. Each system, for example, engine management, it has its indicator, its malfunction indicator light. Even anti-locking braking system, it has its malfunction indicator light. If the driver is driving the car, when that indicator light goes on or flash, it means there is a problem in the system. We are on the engine management, its indicator light is check engine. If there is check engine on the dashboard of the vehicle, it means there is a problem in those various sensors or actuators. And you have to know which sensor. To do that, there is some tools we can use to know which sensor exactly or which actuator. Here we have scan tool. Scan tool this is scan tool is used to monitor or to know what is the problem in the electronic control system. For there we are on the engine management. This is a scanner which has various keys and screen, and also where to connect the channels for probes, for waveform probes or meters, where to connect DLC cable. DLC means data link connector, where to charge, and so on. This scanner, it is used with this DLC cable, data link connector. Here we connect on the scanner. Okay. Then here we will connect on the card. Scanner, it has many accessories, like those ones. Those are socket, and those ones. On the DLC cable, we connect on the what you call OBD socket. OBD socket, it means on-board diagnostic. There are two types of OBD socket. They are OBD1 and the OBD2. OBD1 is used on the old version. OBD2 it is new version, and it has 16 pins. For OBD1, it has pins, but it varies on the different model of the vehicle. For example, this one, it has how many pins? 3. Okay? It is for Mercedes-Benz. For OBD2, we connect DLC cable directly. But on OBD1, we need socket adapter. You see here, we have many adapters. For Toyota, for Nissan, for Honda, for Mazda, and so on. Each model, it has its socket for OBD1. There is also adapter extension. There is where we need extension. For this, we connect here directly, and we connect on OBD1. This one is for BMW. We connect, then we connect on the OBD1. By location, OBD1 is located in engine compartment. OBD2 is located driver's compartment. This is such as of OBD. This is OBD1. So for hand scanner, there is also other accessories. Those are probes for waveform or for meters. This one we can connect here. We can choose channel, for example, channel 1. Then we go there on the engine compartment. For example, we can check voltage of sensor or actuator, or we can check waveforms and so on. And then there is other accessories. When the scanner is connected through DLC cables, it gets power supply from battery vehicles. For example, if you want to measure, you don't need to diagnose, you can use, we have a power supply. We connect on the battery and we connect on the scanner tool. So, scanner tool, it has many functions. We can measure timing of the engine. We can measure pressure and so on. Those are various adapters used to measure. For example, this one is used to measure current. Okay? So, by now, we are going to connect the scanner to the vehicle with the DLC cable on the OBD tool. So this is the OBD tool, as we said, is located in the driver's compartment. It is very easy to connect. We lock the shape, then we connect. Okay? Now it is done. Before that, as we said, on the dashboard, there is malfunction indicator light. For example, this one, it controls, it shows if there is a problem in the lubricating system, charging system, wiper water, door, immobilizer. This is for anti-locking braking system. If there is a problem, it gets on or flash. Now we are working on engine management. That here we have check engine for engine management. It means when we start the engine, all those indicator lamp must goes off. If the engine is running, and malfunction indicator lamp, when it gets on, it means in the system there is a problem. For example, here in the engine management, there is a problem. Which problem? We don't know. That is why we connected on the scanner. We are going to check which problem in engine management.